Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Talabat customer support. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm inside my Talabat app. As you can see, I'm logged in. And if we scroll down, we're going to go ahead and click on Get Help. And now inside Get Help, if I click onto any one of these, there's no option to really contact their support team. So if I go to my orders, past orders, I can't place an order, say no, add more information, yada yada, submit. There's no way to actually speak to their customer support via the app. So what we need to do is go back and then open up a web browser and go to Google. All right, so now inside Google search box, type in pissed consumer like so. And now this site here, if I scroll down, pissconsumer.com is a great website to find hard to reach businesses or restaurants contact details like phone numbers and email. So go ahead and go to Piss Consumer and then click on where it says research company or the magnifying glass. Click on the magnifying glass and now type in Talabat here and then click search. Here it is here with over 1,500 reviews. So if we scroll down here, we've got reviews, contacts, Q&A. Click onto contacts, an ad might appear. Just skip out of the ad. Just scroll down, and then we've got Talabat phone numbers and emails. So depending what location you're in, they'll have a phone number below here, and they've got call customer service or send message. So if you want to go ahead and call them, click on that number, or you can call that number directly or send message. If I keep scrolling down, is there any more here? So yeah, we've got a few more Talabat emails, customer service, general info. They've actually listing their customer care email here as well. And we can see some stats about this company as well. So the best phone number is to call is this number here with 37% of customers managed to speak with a real person. So yeah, this is the best way to contact their customer support team.